Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. First of all, I am totally loving this vibe. The background looks so good. Black after so long, it just looks so different. And also this lip color is complementing my hair color. So I totally love this. It's a fall kind of theme today I've created. Anyway, so today, as you already know, today I'm going to share my PR haul. Now there are few new launches and there are few products I have got from brands, and I thought, you know what, you guys love PR hauls, and also guys, I am totally loving this look. If you guys want to know what are the products I have used, I will mention it down in the description box below with their links, of course. Also guys, today is 20th October. 4 years ago I started my channel, and today I am here with 44k subscribers. 4 साल पहले start किया था, and today I have 44k subscribers. You guys mean a lot to me. Thank you for giving love, liking my videos, commenting on them, and liking my work. So thank you so much for that. And from the first day I never thought I will receive PR package, because तब PR package क्या होता था मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था. तब मैंने शुरू किया था because I used to love makeup and मुझे वही दिखाना था, makeup. And today when I see people recognizing me for my work, the brands send PRs to me for making videos or just try it out. I feel very, very happy, and it is all because of you, and of course my work, definitely my dedication to this channel and to my Instagram, of course. We are a big family, but hopefully future में और बड़ा होगा ये family. So definitely do subscribe, you guys. It will mean a lot to me. So बहुत emotional बात हो गया. Abhi, let's just move on to the PR haul. So yeah, anyway, let's just start with the PR haul. So the first thing I have received from is Nika. Now this brand is very new and it is launching in India today on Nika. This brand is a very popular brand, and honestly I wanted to try their eyeshadow glitters and lipsticks, but the prices, Instagram prices are really high, and I never went to buy it. Okay, I never did buy anything from this brand, but Nika was kind enough to share it, and the brand is none other than Limecrime. So Limecrime has launched today on Nika in India, so definitely go ahead and check it out. Now I have received few packages, like few products from them, and the first thing is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Venus XL2 eyeshadow palette, and this is how the packaging looks like. The palette is very heavy, it is very, very thick as well, and this is how the palette looks like. As you can see, it has beautiful shades. I didn't expect the colors to be so very pigmented. Let me just quickly swatch 2 or 3 shades, the shades I have already used. Now yes, this eye look is with this palette. I have created this eye look with this palette, and honestly I absolutely love the pigmentation and the blending of this. So I have used this chocolatey brown shade, and this is very pigmented. I am amazed with my inner corner highlight, which is this shade. It looks very normal dull sea green, but when you swatch or when you apply, it looks so stunningly green. Let me just show you it. Next I am going to swatch this one, which is on my center of my eyelid, and the last one let's swatch is this pink one. I haven't used it, but why not? Look at this. Look at that green. That reflect is so very pretty. Here is the third shade, sorry, and here is the last one, which has a lot of glitter. Now the mattes and the shimmers are beautiful. For the glitter, I think you have to use a damp brush, then only you will get the perfect pigmentation. The next thing I have received is their highlight palette. Now this is in the shade Blossoms, and here are the 3 shades. Okay, I can't open. Here are the 3 shades right here. Now for me this too works, but this one I can use it as a bronze shade. And let me just quickly swatch this again for you. Let me swatch it here. These are very pigmented and very buttery soft. It just melts into the skin, which I absolutely love. It doesn't enhance my skin texture, which is really good. Alright, next up I have received their Diamond Dew. These are the glitter eyeshadows. I have received 2 shades. This is Rose Golds and this is Starlight. Now I have used the shade Starlight on my center of my eyelid, and both of them looks very pretty. I absolutely love it. Let me just quickly swatch it for you. Alright, so this is the shade Rose Gold and this is the shade Starlight. I have received few lipsticks and lip glosses. So let's start with the liquid lipsticks. The one I'm wearing is Wicked. I have received 3 shades and all the 3 shades are beautiful, you guys. If you want a review on these lipsticks and a swatch video, let me know. I can do it on my Instagram. Next up I have received this Wet Cherry High Shine lip glosses, which I haven't used it yet, so definitely I'm looking forward to try it. Now the last product I have received is Lip Blaze. Now this is a creamy liquid lipstick and the shade I have received is Herb. Now the next one is from Pac Cosmetics. I have done a dedicated video on these, definitely check it out. And these are the limited edition festival kits, and there are 3 kits. Now first one is the Desi Girl, which is my favorite. It has full size 3 MAC lipsticks. Next up is Lal Ishq, which has a bestseller lipstick which is Ruby Woo, and MAC Fix Plus, the mini one as well. And the last one is Tere Naina, and it contains 1 full size lipstick, 1 kajal and 1 mini stroke cream. So these are only available for few days, so definitely go ahead and grab it. You can get it from online Nika, offline Nika, MAC, from Shoppers Stop, and also online Myntra as well. Okay, so here are more products. Alright, next up is Just Herbs. Now if you don't know, I really like Just Herbs. The products are very gentle and I really like it. So they have sent few products for me to try out. So the first one is this Bring Raj hair oil. Now I'm not a big fan of hair oil, but I don't know if I'm going to try it out or not, but yeah, so this is the first one. Next up is this Sat Patri Wild Indian Rose Gentle Body Wash. Now I really like rose body washes, so definitely I'm looking forward to try this one out. Alright, next up they have sent me shampoo and conditioner. Now this is the Silky Strength shampoo, and this is Bazaar Top 100 Best Natural Shampoos Award winner 2015, and this is the Kumuda hair conditioner. Now I haven't tried it yet, but I'm definitely looking forward to try this one because I'm not a big fan of conditioners. So shampoo, definitely looking forward to try. Alright, the next product I have received is the Tender Touch Body Radiance Oil. Now obviously winter is right here and I am definitely looking forward to try this because I love body oils in winter, and even on summer sometimes I like to apply a little bit of body oil. Otherwise body butters or moisturizers are fine because I have dry skin. Next up is Sapta Gel. I recently bought mine and they have also sent it to me, so it's a restock, I would say. Thank you so much Just Herbs for this. Next up I have received this Body Luster Uptan pack which has sandal and turmeric, and I have tried their neem face pack which I liked, and I'm definitely looking forward to try this because it is a traditional skin polisher. So yeah, Pujo is right here, so I'm definitely going to use it. Now coming to the last product I have received from Just Herbs is a moisturizing day care lotion which has aloe vera and wheat gram. Now yeah, as I said, winter is here, so these are the things I may use, and if you guys want a review on any Just Herbs products, let me know. Okay, so next up I have received this Nika mini metallic liquid lipstick. I have already swatched it on my lips, uploaded on my Instagram. So if you guys want to see the full lip swatches, head over to my Instagram. I will mention the link down in the description box below. I have swatched, so I have swatched all the shades, and the few shades are quite amazing. Alright, next up I have received something from Mars. Now it is a very affordable brand and I haven't tried any of their products. They did send me a package a while back, but I have never used it, and they again sent a package this time. So they have recently launched few products, which is a Mars primer, and this is how the packaging looks like. As I said, I haven't tried any Mars product yet, but this primer looks so eye-catching to me. I am definitely going to try it out. If you guys want a full face of first impression of Mars Cosmetics, let me know. I am definitely thinking of doing it. Now the next one is the mascara from Mars. I have heard great reviews about this from Nidhi, and I am definitely looking forward to try it out. And I just don't want to use it off camera because I want to do a first impression, because these products are very affordable. Next, they have sent me liquid eyeshadows right here. So there is a gold shade, there is a bronze shade and a silver shade. Next, they have sent me this lip repair balm. Okay, so the next one is the shining baked blush. It has a few shades I can see. And the last thing I have received from Mars is their nail polish remover, the pad ones, which works really fine, and the flavor is apple. So yeah, this will be handy. Alright, those were the Mars products. Now let's move on to the Lakme products. So the first thing I have here is the Lakme Iconic Kajal and Iconic Mascara. I have already tried it. Honestly, जब मैं school में थी, high school में, तब I used to wear this kajal a lot. This one and the colossal one. I have tried the Iconic Mascara, the blue one. It was fine, not my favorite, but yeah, I can work with it. Okay, so next up they have sent me two eyeshadow palettes. This is Midnight Magic and this is the Pink Paradise. I have already Pink Paradise with me, and I have done a review, so I'm going to include this in a giveaway, but I am definitely going to try this one. Next up is two primers, and this is the Undercover Gel Primer. I haven't used it, so definitely looking forward to try it. But this one is the Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I have used it. It is quite nice, but I still have it, so I'm going to give this to you guys and include it in a giveaway. मैं बोलते बोलते क्यों भूल जाती हूँ मुझे पता नहीं है. Next up is the Lakme Prime Plus Matte Foundation. Now my shade is 240 W240. I already have this foundation with me and बहुत ज़्यादा foundation बाकी है, so I am going to include this in a giveaway again. Next, I have received the Shine Line Eyeliners. The shades I have received, one is a typical greenish, like a khaki green color, and this one is the bronze shade. Okay, so the next one is this Kohl Ultimate Kajal right here. I haven't swatched it, so let me know if you guys want to see a dedicated Lakme tutorial, like a full face of Lakme. I think I can use it because I have almost all the products from Lakme. Okay, so the last things I have received from Lakme is lipsticks. Now this one is the Argan Oil lip color, and the shade I have received is Peaches and Cream, which looks very pretty, and I don't have much of peach shades, so I'm going to keep it. Next, I have received two Matte Melt liquid lip color, and the shades I have received is Natural Nude 12 and this is 01 Crazy Tangerine. These are the two shades I have received. And lastly, I have received the Lakme Absolute matte lipstick in the shade Coral Kiss. This shade looks so beautiful on the bullet, so I want to try it. Definitely. Alright, those were the Lakme products. Now let's move on to the last PR package I have received, which is from Pac Cosmetics. So the first thing I have received is their pressed glitter, and I have received 3 shades. I have already used one of them. So the shades I have received is 47 Going Banana. Next up is Girl Crush number 46, and the last one is number 51, which is 1 in a million, which I have already used, and I quite like it because fallout itna hota nahi hai, and these are very handy, so I really like it. Okay, next up I have received the Pac Cosmetics Pure Matte Lipstick. So here is the packaging. It's very travel friendly and very small. So the shades I have received is mostly nude shades, and I'm definitely looking forward to try this. So the shades I have received is 08 Beach Babe, 05 Rocky Dunes, and 02 Dreamland. All the 3 shades are nude shades. And if you guys want me to review this separately, let me know. I will buy few more shades and do a video for you guys. Next I have received this Irish Premium Contact Lens, and the shades I have received is Grey and Honey. So the next thing I have received is the Take It Off Cleansing Cream, and if you don't know, I already have it and I quite like it. It dissolves makeup, waterproof makeup as well, but the only thing I don't like is it doesn't remove the complete makeup. You have to go twice, or you have to apply a cleanser or a face wash later. So the next one is the 2D makeup blender, and Pac का blender मैंने बहुत use किया है. I quite like it, and this is how the packaging looks like. Now next up I have received 4 eyelashes. Now Pac eyelashes are okayish for me because mostly are natural, and for me I really love the dramatic volume and length wise. So the first one I have received is Pac 60. There is Pac 58. There is Pac Pro 03, and there is Pac 55. And lastly I have received their Lash Fixer, which is my absolute favorite, and thank you Pac for sending this is my favorite. Okay, so yeah, that is it. That was the Pac PR haul. Now next I have received this 2 products from Bath and Body Works. These are the hand washes, the luxury hand washes, and these are the gentle foaming hand soap. This is in 2 flavors. This is the eucalyptus mint, and this one is the raspberry tangerine. So thank you Bath and Body Works for sending this across. Alright guys, that is it. That was my PR haul for this video, and I will mention the product details with their link. And thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, if you like this fall vibe today. And also there will be another video tomorrow, and then I am going to stop uploading because puja hai, thoda time bhi chahiye, koi YouTube dekhta nahi hai. So I will again come back from 27th, so stay tuned. And yeah, that is it you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please help me reach 50k subscriber, you guys. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, that is it. Hope to see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.